What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning this song by Brandon Lake called Almond. It was suggested by my man Benjamin Gable. I'm not sure if I said the last name correct, but he's a really good guitar player and he suggested the song. And let me play it for you what it's gonna sound like. It's gonna sound like this. So it's in DADGAD tuning. That's a B minor. Well, not technically it's B minor, but it's got some E minor, G, and that's basically what it is. I'm going to go through the chords quickly, and then we're going to do the picking pattern, and then we're going to do the parts, which there are only 3 different chord progressions in the song. Okay, so the first thing is D is like this. Just these 2 notes, 5th fret and 4th fret. That's your D chord, and your B minor is going to be 2nd fret and 4th fret. And then E minor, you just take this finger and bar these 2 notes here. Quite an awkward shape, but with some practice you can get it. And then G, like this. Almost like the D, but just add this top finger. Okay, and then one more chord, the A, which we're going to play here. And that's just at the end of the bridge they play the A, nowhere else. Okay. So for the intro, it's just D. You can quickly take a screenshot of this if you want. Or let's do that over there. Okay, so we have the intro, the verse going D, B minor, E minor, G, D. Okay, chorus is just E minor, G, D, repeat that. And at the end of the bridge, you do E minor, G, B minor, A. Okay, just the end of the bridge. The main part of the bridge is just E minor, G, D, like the chorus. Okay, so that's the overview of the song. Come back light. Cool. Okay, so the picking pattern, which is going to be tough. Let's go to this screen here. I'm going to take this comment off here for now. And we're going to go to this view over here. And then I'm going to quickly show you the picking pattern. So I've got the D chord here. And I'm just going to show you the picking pattern. So, Okay, so basically the thumb is playing the first note and the 3rd note. And then these ones alternating. So basically you're doing thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, index, thumb, ring, if you want. Like. And then if you play that really fast and you don't play all the thumb ones loud, you get this. Actually, just the first note of the thumb is played loud. The other ones are almost like ghost notes. But you can first practice it like that. So it's just... B minor, same picking pattern. You just play the bass there. E minor. Now you'll see with the notes, I put the D, the E minor and the G are in one space. That means they're shorter. But you'll get that if you play along with the song. But it's just D, long B minor, short E minor, short G, and then to the D. Okay. Then the chorus just starts on E minor, goes to G, and then goes to D. Again, the same thing. I'm not singing the right lyrics because I don't want it to be copyright strike. I just want to teach you the song. Okay. We're gonna do a Need to Breathe song after this. Then the end of the bridge goes E minor, G, B minor, A. So this A is at the 7th and 6th fret. Such a beautiful song. Thanks so much, Benjamin, for this suggestion. I think that will be enough to get through the song. Let me know, Benjamin, if there's anything I missed out. I don't think so. I think that's basically the whole song. And this song will take your picking to the next level. It's really nice. Okay, so that's it for Benjamin's song. I almost said Almond Eyes. Okay, next up we're doing